Which of these professions usually sews with a sewing machine? Tailor, teacher, technician, travel agent. Okay, correct answer, tailor, teacher, technician, travel agent. Correct answer, tailor. Which is the largest member of the cat family? Leopard, cheetah, tiger, or lynx? Tiger, C, fine answer. Which of these lines of latitude lies at approximately 23 degrees 30 minutes north? Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, or Equator? Tropic of Cancer, C, fine answer. Which is the chocolate brand? Tefal, Toblerone, Texaco, or Tissot? Toblerone, B, fine answer. Which word means relating to German-speaking cultures or people? Hispanic, Gallic, Teutonic, or Nordic? Teutonic, C, fine answer. In which country is Mount Kilimanjaro? Tunisia, Thailand, Taiwan, or Tanzania? Tanzania, D, fine answer. Which of these garden items is used as a privacy screen or as a support for climbing plants? Trellis, chimenea, decking, or gazebo? Trellis, A, fine answer. Charlize Theron is the lead singer of which pop group? Nevada, California, Texas, or Florida? Texas, C, fine answer. What is the London store Hamleys best known for selling? Furniture store, clothing store, toy store, or jewelry store? 50-50. Okay, computer, please take away 2 of the random wrong answers. Toy store or jewelry store? Toy store, C, fine answer. Which of these is a part that allows adjustment of the radiator? Piston, thermostat, air filter, or water pump? Thermostat, B, fine answer. Which of these vehicles is an agricultural? Trolley bus, tank, tractor, or tram? Tractor, C, fine answer. Idiot box is a common nickname for what electrical appliance? Lamp, air conditioner, vacuum cleaner, or television? Television, D, fine answer. Which is the last place where vehicles such as buses, airplanes, and trains leave their passengers? Terminal, port, overpass, or parking garage? Terminal, A, fine answer. In math, which number is equal to 3 cubed? 9, 27, 30, or 81? 27, B, fine answer. Which of these is not a chemical element? Trapezium, potassium, magnesium, or titanium? Magnesium, C, fine answer. Okay, Cortez is trapezium. $2, please.